Black and white notifications after iOS 26? Follow the on-screen captions and arrows. Here's a 1-minute fix. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap Accessibility in the Settings menu. Select Display and Text Size from Accessibility. Scroll down and choose Color Filters. If Grayscale or Color Filters is on, toggle it off to restore color immediately. Next, open Display and Brightness to confirm your brightness and color settings. If colors still look wrong, restart your iPhone and check notifications again. Make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to General, then Software Update and install any updates. If issues persist, go to General, Reset all settings. This preserves your data but clears preferences. Recap: turn off color filters, check display and brightness, restart, update iOS, and reset settings if needed. Still stuck? Contact Apple support or visit apple.com. Like and follow for more quick tech fixes.